pencil. I've just literally got 2 Poscas. I've got like a beautiful pink cosmos, my inspiration for today. Travel set. Hello creative souls. Today I thought I would do my video outside. Sorry about the sunglasses. It is I, Leclerc, but it's quite bright out here, brighter than I thought. I've got blue skies over here, yet behind me I've got rain clouds. So we may end up in the greenhouse behind me. Today I thought I would try out these Inktense Pans set. There's 12 colours in here, and I'm hoping there's a water brush in there because I've been up and down the stairs gathering art materials and forgot my water brush, so hopefully there's one in there. I've also brought down my Derwent Inktense pencils, my Tombos, which I may or may not use, but in here I've got a couple of Poscas and a pencil. I've just literally got 2 Poscas. I've got like a creamy yellow and a white. And I've got this new Pentel colour brush pen. This is a grey one, so I thought this might be good for doing sort of gestural drawings, quick drawings in my sketchbook. So I've brought that down as well and might give that a go. And the sketchbook I'm using today is my Ranger. And the reason why I've chosen the Ranger is because I originally did all my swatches for my Derwent Inktense pencils in here. So I know what colours I've got. So let's do some garden inspired art, and like I say, I may end up in the greenhouse, so I'll see you there. Clicker problem. Beautiful pink cosmos, my inspiration for today. So I've just come in, did a quick sketch, nothing fancy, and now I'm going to open up the Inktense paint set and see what's inside. So 12 colours. If I can get the box open. There we go. It's like a little compact travel set. When you open it up, it has got a water brush. Yay! So there's the water brush. It's wrapped in plastic for protection. So I'm going to take the water brush out and fill that up, and I'm going to swatch these into the Ranger sketchbook. Just hold those up. Lovely vibrant colours. Beautiful. so that's my swatching done, and I also did some colour mixes down here because there isn't a pink. So I didn't really think about that before I decided to do a cosmos, but you know, we always have these challenges, especially when we're painting outside and with a limited palette. So I did a light sort of pink wash down there, and then I've gone over with the bright green, which is called Kiwi, and then did another mix. There is a mixing palette in the lid of this Derwent Inktense palette, so that is going to come in handy, especially if you take it out and about plein air. I think this is going to be perfect. I always struggle using a water brush because it doesn't give me the preciseness that I felt that I needed, but I'm in my sketchbook and this is what I'm trying to teach myself, is it doesn't have to be precise, it doesn't have to be scientific. I'm doing this because I like to be in the garden painting outside, and it doesn't have to be accurate. So in case you're wondering what that little red streak is there, we get lots of little red spiders in the garden at this time of year, and they're sort of all over the windowsills and all in the greenhouse. So that poor little red spider has been sacrificed for my art. Right, I'm just going to put in some details now with the Inktense pencils. I've picked out a few, and I'm just going to have a little play. I don't know if you can see in the background here the cosmos in the veg bed, and I'm just going to work away, and as usual I'm going to speed you up. There's my finished piece using the Derwent Inktense Pans, the initial layer, then some Derwent Inktense pencils, and lastly I went over the top with some micron pen. Please leave me a comment below. Let me know if you've enjoyed this week's video, whether you use the Derwent Inktense Pans and the Derwent Inktense pencils. One last thing is I didn't get round to using this brush pen, but I will probably do a short for you, so keep a lookout for that. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you know what I'm going to say, please go ahead and subscribe. And for those that you don't realise, I'm also on Patreon now. Anyway, happy creating and have a good week. Thank you for watching. I've just filmed a video in that greenhouse. It's mighty hot in there. Not good. I really have suffered for my art.